Hello my dear viewers, welcome back to Busy Bee from Germany. I'm Busy Bee from Germany and today I'd like to show you how you can do your own pattern for Francie within a few minutes. But that's not the best part of the video, because if you don't have a Francie, it's no problem. You can do it for any doll you want and you have at home. It might be a fashionista or a curvy or another body that you have at home, because you're not limited to what I show you. You can adjust what you see and then you can do it yourself for your doll and you get the same result like I do, but just for your doll. Super easy and great idea, isn't it? Just in case you think you missed something, I just wanted to give you an update how I made this from my pattern. It's not super hard. This was my first try, but I did a mistake and I'm going to show how I saw this. You know, Francie is a doll and dolls always have same left and same right side, so I doubled this here and added some seam allowance. I did the same for the back side and then I cut these pieces out. I saw I had a mistake here and then I thought, would it be worth here to invest so much time and find the mistake? But I thought it was easier just to double this part here and get a new pattern with 2 equal parts. And that's how I got this pattern, this piece of clothing for Francie. Super easy, not very hard to do. For making nice armholes, I made this little pattern. So you put it on top of the armhole and then you add 0.5 to the inside so that you get something that you can cut away later and wrap around so that you get a nice little finish here. I also did this here for the neck and the collar thing. I did the same here, so I put it on top and then I added 0.5 centimeters just to get here the piece that I could wrap around. My dear viewers, I hope you like the result that we produced in this video. You understand all the steps that I showed you here in this video and you could follow along and do your own pattern for your fashion doll. So, tell me in the comments, was it also super easy for you to follow these steps and do it your own way? I hope you like my little video. Please don't forget to share, like and subscribe. See you very soon. Your Busy Bee from Germany. Bye!